welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this bright and colorful summer look that's great for a night out in the summertime, but also just a really fun, easy way to get that summer glow and change up from the everyday. So I've gone with a blue eyeliner look and a really plain lid, a shiny lid, super glowy summer skin using my favorite summertime makeup products, and then a nice bright bold lip. See how I got this? Then keep on watching. All right, so with a glowy makeup look, the first thing that we're gonna need to do is prime and prep our skin for this. And so I'm gonna do that on camera, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my base mostly off camera because not a lot about that changes. So first I'm gonna spray with the lavender chamomile spray. And then what I'm going to do is, let me tuck my hair. There we go. So for summer, it's very important to have SPF. So I'm going to use my CeraVe with SPF 30. I also have a setting spray from Supergoop that I really like that has SPF in it that I use to top up my SPF throughout the day. But this is a good one. I'm going to take a couple of pumps of that. And then a new product to me is the Loreal Glotion. I really like this. It has such a great glow to it. It's so awesome. And so I take a little bit of that. It's not thick, it's super thin. It actually works super well with this moisturizer because, oh yeah, because the moisturizer is actually pretty thick, I find. And so that just gives such a nice glow. And then sometimes what I do before I put my foundation on is I take a little bit of highlighter, cream highlight, and I put that on the high points of my cheeks. So I'm going to take the Benefit What's Up highlighter and I'm going to put it on my finger. And I'm going to put this kind of messy on top of that. So it's a very intense glow. A little on the brow bone. So I'm going to put on the base. The one I'm using today is going to be a little bit of the Glossier Skin Tint, my normal concealers, and then a little bit of the It Cosmetics CC cream just around my chin to really give me that coverage that my skin needs today. So I'm going to go do that and I will be right back. Okay, so I have one eye almost completely done. My base makeup, my foundation's almost done, but I haven't done bronzer or blush or highlight. And I just put a little chapstick on. So, oh gosh, did I get it up there? I'm just kind of waiting for this eye to dry, but this is what we're going for. I'm going to try and now recreate it here, and then we're going to do a little bit of highlighting. But so, I'm using the NYX Studio liquid eyeliner because I like it because it has a really flexible small brush on it, and it's just a great color and I think it matches my dress, so that's what we're doing. I'm about to get really close to this camera now. Okay, so we're gonna try and wing this out.
From my friend, 'cause he wants to put them lasers to his head.
So I was gonna say before, when I do liquid eyeliner, I actually fake the wing and I do it. So as you can see, most people might do a wing here on me, but I actually do it a little bit higher because my eyes droop downward a little on the sides, like slightly. So I actually find that it just looks a little bit better if I fake where the wing should normally be. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette here. It's a little dirty. This is the 9B Bronzed Babe. It looks like this. So this is the 9B Bronzed Babe. And I'm actually gonna go into this shade right here, which is Sunnies. And, oh, my brushes, because they're right there. One moment, now I have them. So I'm gonna go into the Bronzed Babe shade with this Morphe brush. And I'm actually going to, this is gonna help set that liner. And it's also gonna give the liner just like a little bit of a sheen. Okay. And so that just gives a nice little wash of a sheen. Not too much, but it just kind of brightens it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Super Shock Cheek Highlight in Wisp. And this is like one of my favorite things to do. And I am popping this right in the center of the lid. If you like the impact of the eyeliner, you can always go over it. There we go. Give a little bit of the blue back. You can always do that, this part first. What I find is that this eyeliner over eyeshadow skips sometimes. So I've kind of messed around with it and messed around with the order a little bit more with it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is finish up the rest of the face. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Glotion on the back of my hand and on a clean finger, use my ring finger, I'm going to pat this on the tops of my cheeks. And so I didn't really powder here. I didn't powder under my eyes at all yet. And this is just going to kind of help bring that glow back. And then I'm going to go back into the What's Up highlight, cream highlight, and do the same kind of thing, but really on the tips of my cheekbones. The bronzer didn't blend right here. It's bugging me. A little bit of the Cupid's bow. Again on the brow bone. And then the inner corner. I'm going to put on a little bit of blush. And that is going to be the Pearlescent Pink from Wet n Wild. So for finishing off this look, I would really suggest something like the Sugar lip balms. This one's in Petal. It's one of my favorites. And that is like a nice glow, but also what you can do if you want to go for like super colorful. One of the trends that I've noticed this summer is the really bright either like fuchsia lip or like orange lip. And so this one is Lullaby, and this is a matte X from Colourpop. And I think I'm gonna stick on this one. And this is like a bright red, like a neon red almost. And so I'm going to do this color, but this nude glossy lip is also a great option to go with this look. This is it with the bright red orange lip. I really like this. I think that it's bright and fun and totally different from what I would normally wear, but I would totally go out on a summer night with this. I think that it is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Until